All we here, all my people, they happy here today. Now today be the D-Day. What I go? So I'm gonna bring you USA chapter later. But for now, make now watch this one. Biafra to the world. Yeah! I go see you later now. Watch. Watch to the end. Oh, boza, boza.
You can see, man. Nabigo. You can see Biafrans. You can see Biafrans. We have police escort also following us. You can see. You can see Biafrans. You can see Biafrans. We are here in Athens, Greece. We are in Athens, Greece. You can see Biafrans. We have police cars, escort. You can see Biafrans. See Biafran children. You can see them. Yes. Today is 30th May 2021. Biafran's Heroes Day. Athens chapter. We are going to the parliament, Greek parliament in Syntagma Square now. We are marching, we are on the move.
How many in the chair?
Hey guy. Okay, the lile.
2,000 different soldiers humbly laid down
live. Biafra for life.
In the Allied
Papa Biafra.
Hey guy. These are Biafrans. Biafrans on the move. You can see them. You can see our video man. You can see the cameraman. They are on the move.
Yeah, this is live video from Aba. As you can see, this is rainbow around the sun. As you can see, happening live from Aba. This is Hassan reported from Aba. You can see rainbow around, holding the sun right round. As you can see, Biafra has come. No going back. No going back. I'm live from the right bottom from Aba. You can see rainbow on the sky, covering the sun right round. Sawana. We are reporting from Aba, the best people Congress. This is live from Aba. As you can see, the sun has risen. As you can see the rainbow. You can see the rainbow. You can see the rainbow. I'm reporting live from Aba. You can see the rainbow. You can see the rainbow live. It's right round. It's right round. So Biafra has come. We are going. We are going. The sun have risen. All hail Yahuda. All hail the rising sun. All hail Yahuda. All hail the rising sun. Asawana o wana. Asawana o wana. This is live video. As you can see the rainbow around the sun. That means Biafra has come. Biafra has come. Biafra has come. All hail Biafra. All hail the rising sun. All hail Yahuda. All hail the rising sun. Long live Ipob. Long live Ipob. Asawana o wana. Asawana o wana. We move. We say sit at home on Monday 31st May. We don't need anybody in the main road. If we see you, you are gone. Asawana o wana. As you can see, Biafra has risen. For those that are going to die, we salute you all. I'm reporting from Aba. This is Hassan. Asawana wana. Asawana wana. Long live Mazi Nnamdi. Long live Ipob, long live IEPC, Ibe People Congress. Asawana o wana. Asawana o wana.